Hello, everyone. Today we are going to talk about something very relatable. Common English mistakes Indians make without even realizing it. And don't worry, this is not to insult anyone. I have made these mistakes. You have made these mistakes. We all learned English in a different way. So these things are completely normal. But if you want to sound more natural and confident, especially in interviews or office meetings, these small corrections can make a big difference. So let's begin. The first common mistake is saying, myself Rahul or myself Priya. This is extremely common in interviews, but grammatically it is wrong. Myself is used for emphasis. For example, I completed this project myself. It is not used for introduction. Instead, say, my name is Rahul, or I am Rahul. It sounds simple, clean, and professional. The second common mistake is saying, I have one doubt. In India, we use doubt to mean question, but in real English, doubt means suspicion. For example, I doubt he is telling the truth. That means you don't believe him. So when you say, I have a doubt, it can sound like you don't trust a teacher. Instead, say, I have a question. That is the correct and natural sentence. The third famous Indian word is Prepone. We say, let's prep one the meeting. But in countries like the United States or United Kingdom, people don't officially use the word Prepone. It makes sense logically, but it is not standard English there. Instead, say, let's move the meeting earlier, or let's reschedule it to an earlier time. Small change, but it sounds more international. The fourth mistake is saying, I passed out from college in 2022. In English, passed out means fainted. It means you became unconscious. So if you say, I passed out from college, it sounds like you fainted in class. If you studied at University of Delhi or any other university, say, I graduated from Delhi University. That is the correct sentence. Unless, of course, you actually fainted during exams. The fifth mistake is writing revert back in emails. For example, please revert back to me. But the word revert already means go back. So, revert back is like saying return back. Instead, say, I will get back to you. Or, please respond. Simple, professional, and correct. The sixth mistake is saying do one thing. For example, do one thing, send me the file. This comes from directly translating Hindi, ek kaam karo. But native English speakers don't say this. Instead, say, please send me the file. Or, here's what you can do. It sounds more natural. The seventh mistake is using the word only everywhere. For example, I told you yesterday only. I was standing there only. This structure comes from Indian languages. In correct English, you should say, I told you just yesterday. I was standing right there. The meaning stays the same, but the sentence becomes more natural. Another common mistake is asking, what is your good name? This is very polite in India, but in English it sounds strange. Just say, what is your name? That is already polite. Another one is saying, he is my real brother. In English, people usually say, he is my brother. Or if needed, he is my biological brother. Real brother is not commonly used in conversation. And one more popular office phrase, kindly do the needful. This is very formal Indian office English. Instead, you can simply say, please take care of this, or please handle this. It sounds modern and professional. Now remember something important. Making mistakes in English does not mean you are not intelligent. English is just a language. It is not a measure of your knowledge, talent, or capability. The goal is not perfect English. The goal is confident and clear communication. And the best way to improve is simple. Notice mistakes, correct them, practice daily, and slowly you will sound more natural. If you found this video helpful, like the video, comment one mistake you used to make, and subscribe for more English improvement content. See you in the next video.